Hey everybody, Jim King back out here with our King Piers crew. Got crew 1 and 2 mixed together here. On this project here, this side of the home, what we've got going on here is got some settlement going on. You can see a few cracks on this other side, but we got a King Pier 2 going here, a King Pier 2 going here underneath this door. We got 2 King Pier 1s going back here. These are our big boys. Back here in the corner, one right here, and one right there. Total of 5, and 5 piers altogether. We're gonna raise this back up. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's very chilly out here. Ground's gonna be pretty hard, but we got the tools and the backbone and the muscle to do it. Get these holes dug and get this place lifted and stabilized. For all your foundation piering needs, call King Piers. 816-288-4373. You can always go to our website, kingpiers.com. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook. And last but not least, our YouTube channel. Get a lot of calls from our videos on YouTube showing proper foundation repair. Don't forget, we don't go to bedrock, we create bedrock. Thank you.